Laying a custom fireplace, brick by brick, can take 2 workers over 80 hours to complete. That's 2 weeks of work. 2 weeks where you could be doing other jobs. Well, what if you could turn those 80 hours into just 8? You could build 10 fireplaces on 10 different jobs in the time it used to take you to build just 1. Introducing Belgard Elements. Belgard Elements comes pre-built and palletized, and Belgard's patented forklift design makes transportation and installation a breeze. With multiple styles and options to choose from, upselling your client on a beautiful outdoor fireplace or kitchen or oven has never been easier. Belgard Elements is the durable, beautiful, money-making product that you've always wanted.
Protecting structures from water intrusion has long been a mission of the design community. For masonry wall systems, it is critical that both the mortar and concrete masonry units, known as CMU, contain water-repellent protection to guard against moisture and wind-driven rain. When used together, a Meramix mortar with Rainblock GP and CMU containing Rainblock admixture create the Rainblock system for water protection. This wall demonstrates how the products work together as a system. The left side of the wall is constructed with CMU and mortar containing no water repellents. On the right side, a Meramix water repellent mortar with Rainblock GP and CMU containing Rainblock were used. As you can see, the addition of Rainblock water repellent technology has no impact on the construction or appearance of the wall. A spray bar applies equal amounts of water to both sides of the wall. In less than 5 minutes of application, water is beginning to penetrate the wall section without the Rainblock system. After 10 minutes, water begins leaking into the wall cavity, while the section using the Rainblock system remains dry and repels water. We also attached a GoPro camera to view the inside of the cavity. After 15 minutes, water fully penetrates the section without the Rainblock system. The front face, cavity, and back face are wet, while the Rainblock system continues to repel water. The spray bar ran for over 5 hours, and the section using the Rainblock system remained completely dry.
Concrete. Like all building materials, it deteriorates over time, sometimes by acid rain, other times by wear and tear. There are several ways to deal with a damaged concrete structure. Do nothing, try a quick fix, tear it down, or try hydro-demolition. It's amazing. Behold the Aquacutter, the most versatile and advanced hydro-demolition robot in the world. The Aquacutter is connected to a high-pressure unit, a power pack. Together, they're like a sports car and a racing garage. Basically, everything you'll ever need for your contracts in one place. Water, the most natural thing there is, essential for most things in life, and hydro-demolition. Just pump fresh water from an appropriate water source, and you're good to go. Inside the power pack, the water passes through filters, a stabilizer tank, a booster pump, and a high-pressure pump. With the help from a powerful diesel engine and state-of-the-art engineering, you'll achieve the desired pressure and flow. The water leaves the power pack and travels through the high-pressure hose to the Aquacutter. Thereafter, the water hits the concrete at supersonic speed. And this is where the action begins. The key element of hydro-demolition is to pressurize and widen pores and microcracks using high-pressure water penetration. A ceramic nozzle creates a highly concentrated jet of water. The combination of pressure and flow, the precise movements of the Aquacutter, and the incredible force through the ceramic jet nozzle creates amazing results. The Aquacutter is powered by a diesel engine or an electric motor. The operation is fully automated and easy to configure on the operator's panel. Everything's monitored by an operator with a remote control at a safe distance. You can use our technology for all kinds of operations and applications, from tight spaces indoors to bridges, roads, runways, tunnels, power plants, and walls. The sky's the limit. The Equal Distance System, EDS, is one of Aquajet's great and patented innovations. With EDS, you'll keep a preset distance from the nozzle to the concrete surface, regardless of the attack angle. This means more water jet power and higher production rates. Another great thing is the ability to cut geometrical shapes, like circles, triangles, and squares. Just program your shape on the display or draw on the surface. Easy to use, time-saving, and extremely efficient. Hydro demolition is ideal for removing selected parts without damaging the rebar. Basically, you leave the good concrete and reinforcements undamaged. Superior as technique, as durable as a new structure. It's the sustainable way to protect and preserve concrete constructions. No cracks, no jackhammers, no problems. Just hydro demolition by Aquajet Systems.
Unilift is a paver laying assist machine that enables one person to lay pavers at up to 10 square feet per minute. It works on the principle of air pressure combined with vacuum to make heavy pavers feel practically weightless. Once the vacuum-based lifter is attached to the surface of the paver, the operator can move the paver into position with little effort. The control lever on the handle allows for upward and downward movement and makes it easy to put the paver into place. Once the paver is in place, pressing the control lever a little further down reduces the suction and releases the paver. It's that easy.
Anyone can learn to use Unilift. This is Robin. She's from our marketing department at Unilock, and she's agreed to come and try the Unilift out. Robin, have you ever been on a hardscape crew before?
Nope, never. So using the Unilift was super easy, way easier than I thought it was going to be. It was effortless, it was weightless. I was nervous at first because I know that pavers are heavy, but lifting 3 at a time or 4 at a time was way easier than I thought it was going to be.
To demonstrate the time that can be saved with Unilift, we've set up a couple of different comparison tests. On one side, we have a crew installing pavers by hand. On the other side, we'll be installing pavers using Unilift.
The hand placing team has to carry the stones over to the laying edge. The main crew member who's laying the stones is either on his knees or frequently bending over to lay the pavers. In contrast, the installer using Unilift is lifting and placing the pavers from a more comfortable standing position. Accurate placement is easy with Unilift. If a small adjustment to the level of a particular stone is needed, simply remove the paver, make adjustments to the bedding course, and then replace the paver. After only a couple hundred square feet laid, our hand install team is starting to show signs of fatigue, but Unilift is still going strong. Using a larger scale paver like Unilock's Umbriano or Series 3000 is a great option for driveways and is both easy to install and fast thanks to Unilift. One person operating the Unilift can place these 130-pound Series 3000 pavers 2 at a time with very little effort. The finished driveway will have fewer joints, which makes for easier joint sand installation and long-term maintenance. After an hour, it's clear to see that the Unilift is outpacing the hand install crew, and the Unilift operator isn't even tired. Combining the power and speed of Unilift with the efficiency of installing large format pavers takes Unilift to a whole new level. These large format pavers would be impossible to lay by hand, but with Unilift, it's fast, easy, and accurate. To demonstrate the combined power of larger format pavers and Unilift, we speed tested our large Umbriano units using Unilift against a typical hand install of Brussels block. After 1 hour, one man with a Unilift had laid 3 times the amount compared to the hand install crew.
As you can see, there are huge labor-saving advantages by using Unilift.
Unilift is a versatile machine with a lift capacity of over 300 pounds. Custom suction heads can be designed to accommodate a variety of products, sizes, and textures. Notice how there is no loss of suction even on the flagstone surface texture of Richcliffe XL pavers. The positive grip of Unilift allows you to work more quickly, accurately, and safely.
A machine that lays down paving bricks, which is fed with loose bricks, and lays them out onto the road as it slowly moves along. It is electrically powered and available in 13, 16 and 20 foot widths. The machine consists of few moving parts, so noise and maintenance are kept to a minimum.